Bit of a surprise for me that they've turned to Fahim Ashraf to...
Shot. First.
That's 4.
What a shot. It's wonderful to watch it. Easy pickings. A gift, really.
That's away. And they're going to pick up a boundary off the first ball of the over, so that's...
Would just be perfect. That's a perfect shot. That really is classy shot from the right-hander.
It's tucked away. Beautiful soft hands from Amla. Where the team was not to play the rest shot. Nowhere he is. That's tucked away leg side. No man out there. Positive from Hendrik.
Oh, superb placement.
That's a marvellous stroke. Really it is. That's up in the air and will be caught. A real dolly. That's Hassan Ali's way of saying it curved in the air.
And that's something you have to deal with when you play here at St George's Park, and it's a strong...
Oh, almost lost the plot there. Shinwari there.
Gone past slip. Beautifully bowled. 4 runs low.
In the circuit, you'll find that from India, in the shape of Chahal and Kuldeep Yadav.
Pitch.
That shot pierces the gap as well, and all the way to the fence. A 37th half-century and one-day internationals for Hash.
Inside edge. That'll go away for 4. Much needed boundary for Van der Dusk about it.
What a good shot that is. That is a beauty for...
That hustler I talk about. Hassan Ali. Now then, this must be caught, is it? Oh, he's slow to react.
I think also the win...
Oh, it's exactly as you picked it. The Prophet Pollock.
Brings up a 50 for Van der Dessen on debut. He'll be quite excited about the way he's brought up this 50, and also excited by the fact that he's got to a half-century.
Placement.
Reset. That's just not good enough. This could be good enough. This is glory.
Gone again, in the gap again. Up in the air and all the way for 6. Up in the air and out. Oh, goodness. Now, Hassan Ali won't say that's the best ball he's bowled, but I tell you what, he'll take the result.
Well, the intent was good from Van der Dussen, and that's what we're talking about. He's looking to take the game on. Yes, he's on debut. He's in the 90s. He'd be thinking about that 100. It would have meant a lot, but...
There's a big shot. Oh, what a way to bring up 100. A wry smile from Hashim Amla. 100, number 27 in one-day internationals. He's applauded. The crowd goes wild. They love him all around South Africa. 1 for 2. 2 overs to go, and Miller struck fiercely. And it will reach the boundary. 4 runs to finish off South Africa's innings. Having won the toss and decided to bat first, they end 266 for 2 off their 50 overs.
Well, they're happy on that side of the ground. The band is in full voice. A little...
It's well played. Well done. Fakhar Zaman, the first boundary of the run chase. Oh, now he works it away with his hip. Oh, 4 more. Oh, that's brilliant batting. The footwork and the power. Character for one so impressive with the ball. This is nicely played. Ah. And that is 4 more. That's 4. Thrashed away. That's safe. That's safe. That's 6.
Oh, he's hit that high. Will the wind help? It is a very good catch. Olivier has struck again. It's a big wicket. We know how dangerous Zaman can be. Good stuff from Olivier, but a very good catch indeed from Pretorius down at fine leg.
Again, the go-to for Olivier. That hard back of the length, pace and bounce.
So deliveries were just run has been added. Now another one, beautifully caressed through the covers by Mum.
Times where it felt really good and didn't. That's crashed away as well. That's another fine stroke. That's a beautiful stroke, that really is.
Here we go.
Off the edge and away for 4.
That's the boundary.
Difficult if there are wickets in hand. That's glorious. That really is classic.
Imam Haq. And brings it up. A half century. He's played beautifully.
Order.
Who done it? It's worked. It's a strike for Risa Hendricks and a strike for Faf du Plessis as well. Worse than that, it's Babar Azam, and Mickey's face tells the story.
Yeah, it was a little bit of a drag down. Babar Azam thought maybe I can get this behind point and beat the man at short third man.
Next. And the captain keep up, back with a square. Work to be done. Good shot. Cricket as well. Oh, it's beautifully timed. That really is. That's a wonderful stroke.
Oh, another wonderful cover drive from Hafiz. It's really just a punch. Yeah. Oh, what a shot, Imam!
Off the edge. It's an educated one. It'll get... Big shot. Taken. Oh, goodness. Bossing the game, controlling it. And Imam ul Haq has a brain fade. He's given South Africa a chance here.
Shot himself in the foot. He was aiming for that mid-off.
Just slipped. Even if it's a leg slip.
That's what.
Still less than 6.
Wow.
Trying to apply their skills on the surface. It's up. Gqeberha just sets himself and then he just turns around.
Got him just when it needed for South Africa to strike, trying to play that dinky shot, that cute shot for a run. Ball came back and hit the stumps, and Shoaib Malik has been dismissed. This is a major breakthrough for South Africa.
Oh, that's well placed and timed. What a find. We're very close to him. Oh, that's close. That is very close. Yeah, as I said, you never know a dressing room that doesn't have a squeak in a run chase.
Seems as if he should have been on his front foot, Safraz, and I think he's going to send it upstairs.
Yeah, he can. Just 3 from it, assuming a good return from Rabada. Very good. 2 to 8 for 5. Oh, it's 50 for... Well, there's a 4. It's not a good ball. I think he might... Oh, he chipped it straight over mid-off. What a way to hit a full toss. That's just what he does, and what a response. Shut up, Khan. Hit that very hard. Yeah, really hard. The scores are tied. Now they can relax. Kahisa Rabada. Now they hurry, they make it. Yeah, the job is done. It's a very, very good performance by Pakistan in the run chase. They've kept their head when previous occasions have suggested they could have lost it. They bowled tidily when they had to. They've exposed South Africa's indifferent batting today, let's be honest about it. They were well short of what has proven to be the required total to set the chasing team. So